Okay, welcome back once again. Now let us continue. So right now, in our last video, we learned about how to add the attributes, and now we are going to look at how to add variable products. Okay, so to do that, now let's go to add new. Good. And because it's a variable product, first let's come back here first. Okay, let me add a title first. So I will come here, search for some of the variable product. I just need a title from here. Okay, good. So this is a variable product, so I will click that. Good. And I will copy the title. Okay, so I just want to add this one. Good. Okay, so what else can I do? So after that, I'll add a product description. Okay, so this one is going to be a long description. Okay, and then let's say the short description, I want to put that one here, and because it is a short description, I want to reduce it. Okay, so 2 lines is okay. Good. Now what else? You want to add a variable product, right? Okay, good. So we are not going to enter the price here. It's not important because we are going to change that to variable products, and you see everything has changed. Yes, tax status, yes, you see we are going to tax them, and then tax class, we'll go for this one. Okay, good. So after that is what products? Let's say we are going for t-shirts. Okay, yes, t-shirts. Good. We can add a product image, so I will click here. Since we are going to add other colors from here, so I will select the black color t-shirt. Then we also have green color, so I'm going to add that. Okay, and another green color is here. Okay, so I'm going to add that. This is another black color, so I will add that. Okay, good. So I'm going to select one of them. So let's say I want to go with this one. Good. For here, it's not a big deal. Now it's t-shirts. So the tag can be red, green, and black. Okay. What else? So we are done with that. So it's a variable product. I've selected that. Okay, good. So let's come back to attributes. So you have to select the attributes, and here we don't have any. We have existing one. So that is, we have colors. Good. So here, are you going to select all first? Let me select all of them. So we black, green, and red. Okay, so we are selecting all. So let me save that. So it has been added. Okay, this one has been added. Then not only that, we're also going to add the attributes size. Okay, good. And let me select all. Okay, this time this one too, you select all of them. Make sure all these has been selected, and save it again. So for the 2 of them, make sure that this has been selected. Make sure you save that. Okay, good. So we are done with the attributes. Now let's go to variation. So we are now going to generate it. So come here and generate the variation. It says okay. So you see automatically it has generated everything. So we are going to do the remaining settings. So you see the black, we have large, small. Okay, so we can rearrange it. So we want the small to be here, then followed by large, followed by medium, large, extra large, and extra large. Okay, and for green color, so you can just rearrange it. So the small will be here, then the large will be here, medium will be here. Okay, so medium from small, medium, large, extra large. Okay, but some of the colors, for instance, the red color, let's say we don't have small right now, we don't have some. It is finished. Let's take it like that. Well, let me first, okay, let me see. So small. So for the red color, let me remove small from this one too. Okay, so I'm trying to reduce the number. Okay, good. So the green color too, we don't have, sorry, on this one, the green color, we don't have small. Let me remove that. And we don't have a large. What I'm trying to say, let's say it is finished. Okay, we don't have some at the shop. We don't have some at the shop. Okay, good. And then we here to even this one, the black one, we don't have extra. Okay, good. So you can just remove the product that you don't have some at the shop. Okay, so we are going to add the remaining ones. So the small, black small here. So we can select the product color from here. This is, let's say this one is the small one. So that's the product color. And then after that, we can add the product price. Okay, let's say the product price is for small is 100 cedis. Okay, the regular price is 100 cedis, but right now we are doing promotion, so we can just add all these. Let's say weight in kilogram. In kilogram we make it about 3. Then we can add the dimensions. I just want to put something there. It's not all that important to me. You can add those. Okay, good. And then the shipping, the same as the parent one. Okay, so we come to that, and this one is the same thing. So we'll come to the parent one right now here. So here to medium, click here, you select image for the medium. Let's say this is the image. Okay, good. And this one too, if here the price is, let's say 80 cedis, this one the medium, what will be the size? The medium sales price is 100, and then here is going to be 150, and here is 100. Good. And then I have to leave this one, I don't have time. So and then the large too, you have to do the same. This one is large. Okay, good. And then large, this one I have this here. Good. I can enter the price. The sales price is 150. Let me enter this one first, 200, and here is 150. That's the sales price. Okay, you can add description here, it's not important. Good, let me save that. I just want to delete some of them. Okay, so I'm done with the let me see. Okay, so let's see extra large. There's nothing here, so I will remove the extra large from black. Good. And let's see, and the green color too, I'll remove the medium. Okay, so now let us continue. So I'm done with the black one, and then let's come back to the green. The green, I'll select the picture from here. Let's see the picture. So the green, what is the price? Let's say the price is this one is, let me see the size. Okay, the green, and this one is okay, that is extra large. So let's say it's 150. Now let me come back here, let me enter it here first. 150, but the sale price is 130. Okay, and then we can add the weight and the rest. Okay, now let's go to extra, and this time I will select this for the green, and then extra, the price is 2.5, and here the sales price is 200. Okay, and then we have the red. Let me see. So the red too, I will select the color. There's the red. Okay, so the red, the price, let me see, the price, I'm going to make it 250 here, and the sales is 230. The red is quite expensive. Okay, then we have red medium. I can select here, select image for that. and then the price, I can enter the price to be, let's say, let me start from here first. This one is medium, so that is 200, and here the sales price is 150. Okay, let me leave the rest and come back to red extra large. Extra large is quite expensive. Let's say this is the extra large, and then the price is the price here is 300. I will make it, let's say, 1,250. Okay, just to show you how to go about it. Okay, extra, wow, the extra is very expensive. Okay, so I'll select the image for that, and that one is 350. Let me enter here first. The price here is 270 here, but here is 350. Okay, hey, come on, here's supposed to be 350 and here is 270. Good, and I'm done. I will leave the rest. Okay, so after that, let me show you something. There's something here which is very important. Okay, so here we have to select the default size. So the default size what will be the default size? Let's say it's large, and the default color is what? Red. Good. And after that, first let me update this one. Let me go down here and update this one. Okay, good. Okay, so now let's go up here and come to general again. So we have selected the tax for that, and then the shipping. Okay, so we are not going by any shipping class. Okay, good. So that is all. We are done for now, and let's see, we have added. There's no need to add a product gallery. Okay, we have already added product image here, so let me publish that. Good. So I can click here to view the product. I can just click here to view the product. Good, and this is the product. I hope you can see that. So you can see that for the red color, that's which I've selected here. For the small, we don't have some at the market. Okay, and here I would advise you to rearrange it so that it will be in order. Okay, good. Let me go here. Let me go back here. You have to rearrange it. Okay, and you can do that at attributes. Let's go to attributes here, and you see it's nowhere arranged. Okay, you have to rearrange it. Okay, to make sure that, okay, so let me click that. Okay, so here you can just rearrange it. So I will let the small count first. Sorry, small fix, followed by medium, large, extra large. Good, and that is okay. So that is how it's supposed to be. Good. So now let's go back to the shop. And now if you go to the shop page, so you see we have this variable product. Okay, and when we click on that, then you see that. Okay, so now it has been arranged in order. So we have small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. Okay, good. So here you see I can just select red color and then medium, and the price, see, it has changed. If I select a black color, and see black color, we don't have extra large and extra large. We only have small, medium, and large. Okay, and that is the price. See, the price keep on changing. Okay, anytime I select any of them, then the price will change. Okay, so is it not amazing? I think you love it. Okay, so that is, and this is the related product. I hope you can see that. So very nice one. So all that I can tell you right now is thank you for watching. Our next video we will continue. Bye bye.